Hi, I'm Sam. Nice to see you again. Today I'm going to talk to you about three most important things to learn in life. First one is simplicity. Simplicity is not about living a primitive or austere life, but rather about letting go of unnecessary complexities and attachments. It is a state of mind that allows us to experience life fully and authentically. Simplicity is not about deprivation or renunciation, but about finding joy and contentment in the present moment. Being simple has emphasized the importance of being present and fully engaged in whatever we are doing, whether it's a simple task or a complex endeavor. Simplicity is closely connected to awareness and mindfulness. By cultivating awareness, we can become more conscious of our thoughts, actions, and desires. This awareness helps us to let go of unnecessary desires and attachments, leading to simpler and more fulfilling life. In a sense, simplicity encourages us to embrace the beauty of simplicity in all aspects of our lives. By letting go of unnecessary complexities and attachments, we can experience a deeper sense of peace, contentment, and freedom. Second quality is patience. Patience and its significance is the second quality to have in our lives. Patience is not simply about waiting for something to happen. It is about having the right attitude and approach towards life's challenges and uncertainties. I believe that patience is the art of remaining calm and composed in the face of difficulties and delays. Patience has emphasized that when impatience arises from our desire for immediate results and instant gratification, I encourage you to cultivate patience as a way to develop inner strength, resilience, and a deeper understanding of oneself. Patience is not a passive state of resignation or inaction. Instead, it is an active state of awareness and acceptance. Patience allows us to navigate through life's ups and downs with grace and equanimity, without getting overwhelmed or frustrated. It enables us to respond to challenges with a clear and composed mind, making wise decisions and taking purposeful actions. Patience emphasizes that patience is closely linked to trust and surrender. By cultivating patience, we learn to trust the natural flow of life and have faith in the unfolding of events. Patience teaches us to let go of control and surrender to the present moment, embracing life as it is rather than constantly striving for something different. In summary, patience encourages us to embrace the power of patience as a transformative quality. By cultivating patience, we can navigate life's challenges with grace, develop inner strength, and find greater peace and fulfillment in the process. Third quality is compassion. Compassion emphasizes its transformative power and its ability to bring about positive change in ourselves and the world. Compassion is a natural state, and compassion is not something that needs to be learned or acquired. It is our natural state of being. I see compassion as the expression of our true nature, which is loving, caring, and connected to all living beings. When we remove the barriers that prevent us from experiencing our innate compassion, it naturally arises within us. Compassion and awareness are interconnected. I believed that true compassion rises from a deep awareness of ourselves and others. When we are truly present and mindful, we can understand the suffering and struggles of others and respond with empathy and kindness. By cultivating awareness, we can expand our capacity for compassion. Compassion leads to non-judgment. When we cultivate compassion, we tend not to judge. True compassion does not discriminate or judge others based on their actions or circumstances. Instead, it embraces all beings with acceptance and understanding, recognizing the inherent worth of dignity of everyone. Compassion transcends judgment and allows us to see the divine essence in everyone. Compassion is a healing force. Compassion is a powerful force that can heal emotional wounds and bring about inner transformation. I believe that when we approach ourselves and others with compassion, we create space for healing and growth. Compassion allows us to let go of resentment, anger, and judgment and opens the door to forgiveness, understanding, and love. Compassion is not just a passive state of feeling. It is meant to be expressed through action. I encourage you to translate your compassion into acts of kindness, service, and support for others. It is believed that true compassion is not limited to a select few, but is quality that can be cultivated by anyone who is willing to open their heart and extend helping hand to those in need. Being compassionate reminds us of the importance of embracing our innate capacity of love and connection. Through compassion, we can create a more harmonious and compassionate world. One where kindness, understanding, and empathy prevail. Thank you very much for listening. Sam.